So, I think you guys can figure out what's about to happen here. So here's my two GoPros. These are the GoPro 7s. This is not the GoPro 7 case, but this is a GoPro 7 and that's a GoPro 7. I'm not using a GoPro 7 right now. This is a handheld. It's a handheld because I can see what I'm doing. So today is the 4th. I'm still feeling really sick. Actually, not as bad. I took some medicine, and it's like 60-some odd degrees outside. As you can see, I'm still wearing a full-size jacket. So the plan for today is look at this door and make magic happen. Do I feel like doing it? No. I'd rather pay someone to do it. But you know what? The guy that I was going to have do it hasn't done it. The part's right there. Actually, it's right there. So it's been in the truck. So we're just going to do it. We're going to do it. We're not going to bitch about it. Because, you know, the first step of getting something done is doing it. So I brought the two GoPros. I brought this camera. So gonna get a little bit of B-roll footage. Might do a time lapse. I don't know yet. I haven't really messed with the time lapse yet. So let's go ahead and let's get this door done. All right. So I don't know if you guys just saw on the video, but this right here, you just pull this clip back like that, push down, and that just comes right out. I'm in the process of trying to drop this motor, which is these 4 bolts right here. As you saw, I took out the bolts right here and right here. The window's not in the optimum place, but the track is all fricked up, and I got the window pretty well taped in with that. So we're just gonna try to do it from right where it's at. I mean, I just have to be able to get the bolts. All right, so I don't know if you guys just saw on the video, but this right here, you just pull this clip back like that, push down, and that just comes right out. I'm in the process of trying to drop this motor, which is these 4 bolts right here. As you saw, I took out the bolts right here and right here. The window's not in the optimum place, but the track is all fricked up, and I got the window pretty well taped in with that. So we're just gonna try to do it from right where it's at. I mean, I just have to be able to get the bolts in. And I think I could. But here's the point of no return. All these are out. They look all to be the same length. Nope. Some are longer, some are shorter. Damn it. I guess we'll figure that out as we go, right? All right. So far it looks the same, and I don't have gloves. So we just got to figure out how this all slides out of here. So let's take a look at the new one. Take a look at this one. Figure out how that one's supposed to work, right? So it's up there like that. All right, so that's the way it just came out. I don't know if you saw that in the hyperspeed GoPro thing, whatever. Anyway, so I put it out the same way it came out. So it came out like that. I just set it down right here. It's best to orient your parts the way that they came out. It makes your job putting them in a lot easier. So there's 2 bolts right here I was missing. We had to take those out for that to drop out. Oh, someone left a big old mess right there. I hate people who are messy. Anyway, so now that's out. And we can compare part to part They're the same, but this is wired up differently. The cord is a lot longer. We could probably use that in our favor though. Might not need to though. Maybe. Anyway, all right, so that's all the way down. So I'm hoping, getting this grease all over me, we could just slip this in. So hand-ins, I hate working in body panels like this, guys. I really do. So that's there. We'll just let that hang there for a second. And I guess we'll get the motor up here. So we'll take these 4 screws. We got to figure out which ones go where. My guess is the 2 short ones go here. The 2 long ones go right there. Possibly, it might not matter. All right. Somebody out there's probably laughing at me as I was figuring this out as I was doing it. So what I ended up doing was I just watched what was kind of going on here. As you saw, I kind of took this, called up the parts place, made sure it's the right part. And I remember this being right here because I unplugged it. So I was looking at the orientation that was. And so I just ended up going like this, got the 1 bolt in, and I just kept going till, you know, they all came into view. So now it's just a matter of running them all in, actually trying to get it back exactly where it was, and tighten them all down. So sometimes it takes just a little bit of monkeying around, get it just right. And we'll get it. I'm gonna get that one in a little, and then get this one in a little. And let's take this one out. I use that one to hang it on one hole, but we'll use this to try to straighten it out so they all line up beautifully, kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that. That's looking pretty good. All right, that only took me forever to get around to wanting to do this job. Well, I would have done it sooner, but you know, with me being sick, I just kind of really put it off. Here shortly, I'm gonna go get the lock stuff. I might try to do that today. I might not, I don't know yet. So, that's done.